Did you know that chronic kidney disease affects more than 37 million Americans? Whether you're already dealing with kidney issues or simply aiming to safeguard your kidney health, this video is tailored for you. What you eat can either harm or aid in the healing of your kidneys. Today, let's explore 6 foods that can effectively support kidney healing. Let's begin with food number 1, garlic. Chronic inflammation can exacerbate symptoms of chronic kidney disease. Fortunately, garlic possesses potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to its bioactive compound called allicin. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, facilitating their healing process. Moreover, garlic has been shown to moderately lower blood pressure, which is crucial since high blood pressure is a common risk factor for kidney disease. Additionally, garlic's natural antimicrobial and antibacterial properties may help prevent urinary tract infections. Next up is food number 2, flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet may help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, thereby promoting kidney health. Studies suggest that flax seeds may also decrease proteinuria, a marker of kidney damage. Moving on to food number 3, onions. Onions are packed with quercetin and other flavonoids, which possess antioxidant properties that can combat inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage. Additionally, onions contain allicin, similar to garlic, which can help lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of kidney disease progression. Now, let's talk about food number 4, beetroot. Beetroot is loaded with dietary nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body, a natural vasodilator that helps relax and widen blood vessels, thereby lowering blood pressure. By maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, beetroot indirectly supports kidney function. However, individuals with chronic kidney disease should be cautious due to beetroot's potassium and oxalate content. Food number 5 on our list is bitter melon. Bitter melon exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can protect the kidneys from damage caused by toxins or medications. It has also been shown to reduce urinary oxalate excretion, lowering the risk of developing calcium oxalate stones, the most common type of kidney stones. Last but not least, food number 6, carrots. Carrots are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, which can protect kidney cells from damage. Additionally, the fiber in carrots promotes gut health, aiding in the breakdown of toxins and waste products that could harm the kidneys. While these foods can contribute to kidney health, they should not be considered as standalone treatments. It's essential to consult your doctor before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing kidney issues or other health conditions. Remember to prioritize fresh, whole foods, limit processed foods, and avoid sugary drinks to maintain optimal kidney health. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to support our mission of promoting health and wellness. See you in the next video.